Hi, I'm Jamie with Galileo, where I work to help create awesome projects that help you develop your innovative superpowers. I'm here with today's project challenge. In this challenge, you'll need to work with somebody else to invent and draw a character that uses both your ideas. As you do this challenge, practice being collaborative by appreciating the ideas your partner has that are different from your own. To get started, find a buddy to do this challenge with. Then, take turns filling in the blanks in the Create a Character handout. You can get an adult to help you fill it out if you need. Read the final description of the character you and your partner just invented together.
Draw a dinosaur wearing a red tutu hanging out at the cafe.
Next, you and your partner go and draw your own versions of the character. When you're both ready, reveal your final drawings. It's super fun to see how you had two different ideas about how to draw the same thing. Be collaborative by taking time to appreciate and share one thing that you liked about your partner's drawing that was different from your own.
Oh, I like that your dinosaur is wearing a hat.
Oh, I like that your dinosaur is green and used a lot of different colors in your picture.
I did.
For collaboration bonus points, you can even add to your drawing or start a new one to include the new ideas you got from your partner. That's all you need to know for this challenge. Have fun creating collaborative characters. And if you can snap a picture, we'd love to see what you and your drawing buddies create. Collaborative Dino Power!